Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Catherine and I am back with another DIY hairstyle tutorial. Today I'll be showing you all how I made this beautiful crochet hairstyle. So if you're interested in seeing the process, everything I did to achieve this beauty right here, why not sit around, and with no further ado, let us dive right in. To begin this style, first you need a clean hair. Obviously, that's if you want your hair to last long without an itchy scalp. Next, you need your mirror. For that, I have my 360 mirror. Guys, this mirror is a lifesaver. You need to get yours if you want to be achieving a clean hairstyle all by yourself. Go ahead and get this mirror. I'll be leaving the link in my description box, so get yours and you thank me later. So I'll go ahead to start parting my hair. I'll be parting an ear to ear parting, just straight line ear to ear parting, and I'll put the back into a bun and start working with the front. For that, I'm gonna start parting out, all the small parting, which I'll further part into two. For this particular one that I just parted out now, I'll part into two and I will braid, just no more braiding. I'll just braid. You can add your your gel just to stick down your hair. Just do whatever you can. And after I have braided that out, not all the way out, well, I'll go ahead to add it to the next one as I braid. Does that make any sense? Like, this is given like individual braidings as well as cornrow all at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but you probably get me. It makes your crochet hairstyle looks like individual style pattern, even though it is not made individually. That is the whole purpose of this style that I'm making. So I'll just continue with that pattern, part out my hair and part into, for this particular one that I'm working on, I'll part into three, or rather I will have three. I will section into three. Yeah, this is the second one. I will add my hair, the first one I braided onto it and braid together, and I'll do that for the last one in this row. Guys, if you need a detailed tutorial of this cornrow pattern I'm making, I will be leaving a video in the description box and also up in the card, so you can check it out, because I know this one is probably fast, not as detailed, since it's not just this pattern or this style that I'm doing, so I just have to make everything like fast. Well, it's really not fast though. I really didn't speed up this part, to be honest, but yeah, I will just continue with this process and just keep on watching. I'll probably play music in the background as you watch on. Does that make any sense? I know it does. So now I'm done with the front part, and I already started cornrowing the back for a bit, just to, anyways, nothing much. So I'll just show you all a bit. See, this is the importance of having a 360 mirror. Usually when I do this style, I really do not pay much attention, you know, at the back. My cornrows at the back are usually not the neatest, because it's always a struggle seeing the back of my hair, parting the back of my hair, until I had this mirror. So you guys will notice that this cornrow I am doing at this back here is clean. Like, it is really clean. This is what a 360 mirror can do for you. So go ahead to get yours. I'll be leaving my Amazon storefront in the description box. Go ahead to get yours, so you can be making any style you want. Don't say I did not tell you this expo. Don't say I did not tell you. So anyways, this is the last cornrow. See, what I'm doing for this with this cornrow is, as I finish braiding one, you know, I cornrow another one, and I add the previous one I cornrowed onto it. So I have two ends instead of individual ends. I just have two, so it doesn't look bulky. I didn't just like end up with one particular end, so it's not bulky. My hair is like thick, okay? But if your hair is really not that thick, you can just have one end. Hope you guys are getting me. So next, I went ahead to start tucking in the ends with my crochet needle into the main cornrow. Like, I will pass my crochet needle through my cornrow and just tuck it in per se. Tuck it in, so there is nothing out there, as you guys can see. So this is the extension I will be using for this style. It is called B Coil, and it is in the color T something. See, I will leave the color on the screen. I've forgotten. Okay, I will leave it on the screen. And I got this extension from a beauty supply store around me. Okay, and guys, in case you can't get this extension, send me a DM on Instagram. I will help you to get it. Okay, so it will be in form of pre-order. I don't have it down. If you want it, I can help you to buy, and I mean, you pay for it, obviously. Okay, so just send me a DM if you want it. That's the least I can do for you all, because a lot of you ask me where I get my extensions from, and even when I tell you all, you just can't access it most of the time. So like I said, send me a DM on IG, on my business page at colors_n_kids, so I can help you to get it. Okay, so let us continue with this style. I've already started crocheting the extension onto the hair, and let me explain what I'm doing. First, you need your crochet needle. Obviously, for any crochet style, you need a crochet needle. Well, probably not all, but for this one, you need a crochet needle. First, you insert your crochet needle through the roots of your hair, and then put the loop of the extension, yeah, this is the loop, onto the hook of the crochet needle. Then pass it out, and then put the end or middle of the extension through the loop of the extension, and pass it out all the way through like this. You see that? Easy peasy. Like, when you pass it out, you tighten it so that it would loosen out. Okay, you tighten it, and that is it. So easy, guys. So this is how I will continue crocheting this extension onto my cornrow. But guys, hold up before you run off. This is not just all there is to crocheting this extension onto my hair. Like, for each place, for each position where I want to achieve a pattern, like when I am styling the hair, when I'm rocking it, anywhere I just want to have a pattern, I will crochet in opposite direction. I know it's confusing, right? But hold up, when we get to that position, when we get to that stage, I will explain more. Just keep on watching. So guys, you are seeing how I am crocheting these ones, right? Like, I am putting my crochet needle from up, not down. I don't know if you guys are getting me. Like, I am inserting my crochet needle through the root of my hair from up, not down. I am going to do the opposite of that on this next one. That is, I am going to pass the needle with my hand placed downwards. Like, I am passing it underneath the root of my hair from downwards, not from the top like I did the previous line, before this. I don't know if you guys are getting me, you know, so I can have a pattern there, so that when I, you know, I'm rocking my hair, I can put it in side pattern, middle pattern, and just like that. Anyway you want a pattern to be, like middle pattern when you're rocking your hair, or you want it sideways, side pattern as well. For me, I want 3 patterns on, you know, side pattern on the 2 sides of my hair. I don't know if you guys are getting me, and middle pattern. Yeah, so this middle, I am still doing opposite directions for these 2 lines in the middle. I did opposite directions. Hope you guys are getting me. Let me know in the comment section if you understood what I explained here. Yeah, so I'll just go on to crochet the rest of the hair. But guys, something happened. The extension got finished. It wasn't enough to complete the whole hair. To think that these were 2 packs. I got 2 packs of this extension, which are 2 bundles in each pack, making 4 bundles. Yet it wasn't enough. See, these are all the places I haven't crocheted anything on. So I had to wait till the next day to get more, because this was midnight. I made this hair at midnight. So this is the next day. I've already gotten extension, but I couldn't get the exact color. As you guys can see, I got what I saw. I'm gonna go ahead to crochet the rest of the, you know, hair remaining. And yeah, so finally guys, I am done. See, there's this joy that comes with finishing up a hairdo, whether you're making it yourself or someone is making it for you. It's just a different level of joy. Like so right now I'm laying down my edges with, you know, an edge control, not shine. I wanted to say shine, but no, that's not shine. An edge control. And guys, look at your baby girl. See, the level of feeling myself I am feeling here is incomparable. Like, it is incomparable that I even decided to dance for you all. I mean, the hair was giving everything it was supposed to give. It is lightweight, extremely lightweight. It is shiny, beautiful, lush, you name it, everything. And this was 3 days after I installed this hair. It was still looking like a day old. I was getting compliments everywhere I went. A baby girl's shoulder pad was swelling. I mean, can you blame me? Anyways, that brings us to the end of this video. If you watched to this point, kindly give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and see you in my next one. Bye.